Hey everyone, so are you tired of the same old marketing grind? Customers are tired of generic ads and content. They want brands that get them. Studies show that personalized campaigns boost engagement by 76%, and predictive analytics can triple your chances of identifying your most profitable customers. Big brands like Spotify and Amazon are crushing it with this strategy. Spotify's viral Wrapped campaign is all about personalization, while Amazon's recommendations drive 35% of their revenue. But here's the kicker: you can do it too. Find where your ideal customers hang out: online forums, Facebook groups, you name it. Don't just spam them, listen, learn, and become a valued member. Think niche, think targeted. Offer genuine advice, answer questions, build real relationships. Use affordable tools like HubSpot or MailChimp, segment your audience into microgroups, and create value-packed, tailored content that speaks directly to their needs. Remember, it's not about shouting louder, it's about building trust and connection. So, stop wasting time on outdated tactics and start leveraging the power of personalization to grow your business. Success isn't about selling, it's about connecting. So, are you ready to take your marketing to the next level? And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.